Step into the dance like a bad bee. Gingerbread man couldn't catch me. Coming from the east side, not Hackney. Up in every spot like acne.
What's up, y'all? So it is currently like 5 in the morning, and it's a Sunday morning. And guess who's been up all night online shopping? I've been home since 10 o'clock at night, but there's too many sales going on, and I'm really picky, so I take forever to pick things, which is partially why I like shopping online, because, you know, I can just take my time and be content with my decision in the end. So anyways, speaking of online shopping, I finally got all the stuff I ordered from Juvia's place. I caught their 40% off sale. The makeup that I've been using is like the cheap stuff, okay? Because I don't use it as much. I only wear it when I'm going out, and even then I usually do like my typical basic type of look. I don't really do too much with the eye stuff. And when I do, I always get frustrated because the colors don't show up the way I want to. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and I realized, you know, whatever I'm getting from the CVS or wherever, the pigment is BS. So that's why it's not showing up on me like that. My sister put me on game and told me to get Juvia's place. So anyways, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to open is the foundation. It's one of the things they came out with this year. It's the Eye Magic foundation. I believe I got Togo. I did like the little shade finder thing on the website. I'm trying to find where it says the name on here. I did not get Togo. I got the Dakar 2020. Focus. Focus, my child. There we go. So, I got Dakar 2020. I keep saying 2020. That's because I'm ready for next year. Dakar 220. My bad. Oh my gosh, y'all. Like, why did y'all let me stay up this late? Like, why did y'all let me do this? Ooh. I heard this is really full coverage, so that little dot, I think it's gonna match. Let's see. Bro, it's basically, it's basically my skin. Like, what? What? Shade finder on the website? What? Y'all. What? I'm throwing away all my freaking beauty supply store makeup. It's gone. I'm at a loss of words. It's on this side, and this is my skin. All right, I'm gonna stop being a weirdo. I'm putting it on both sides, because why not? Oh, this is wild. I did not expect this. I thought I was gonna be off, and I literally was on with the color that I picked. Wow. This is a lot of coverage. This is like, wow. I don't think my other makeup has this much coverage. Check it out. What? What? Okay. Look at that. I'm going to put the concealer so we can conceal all the years of just bullshit that's under my eyes. So the concealer shade that I got was in 11. I was looking for a country. It doesn't have a country on the concealers. I got concealer shade number 11. Yes. Concealer time. Ew, it's thick. Oh my god. It's thick. Wow. It's so thick. I'm afraid. I don't know what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen? What am I look like, mama? Let me use my little sponge. Whoa. Oh, Chineke. This is light, so... By the way, y'all, I'm not a guru. I'm not a professional. I watch videos. I try to emulate. There's this one girl in here, I think her name is Mercy. She's this chocolate fucking amazing goddess. And her makeup is like amazing. And I literally just stalk her videos because I'm like, oh my god, I want to look like her. But she is my inspiration when it comes to makeup. Oh, I see what y'all be doing there with these concealers. This is lit. I feel like a new girl. Okay. So I'm gonna blend that out because I feel like I look light skinned under my eyes now. And I don't know how I feel about that. I still feel like I look light skinned under my eyes. What do y'all think? Does this look right? Is this how I'm supposed to look? Somebody let me know, please. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, but I like it. I like it already. Now, is there a way I can conceal my double chin that's trying to emerge? So I got the concealer on. I got this color of the stick foundation in Congo for contour. The last I checked, somebody please correct me if I'm wrong because I'm just trying things for the first time. Last I checked, you're supposed to, oh, let me turn it up. Turn up the thing. Okay, no. Oh, I'm supposed to put this here, right under my cheekbones. Okay? So I'm just going to do like this because it's going to help me. Oh, mama, there's a line on my face, so... Oh, okay, all right, seriously though. It's like butter. So then, and then you're supposed to put it here too, right? So I've seen. Correct me, YouTube gurus, makeup gurus, please. Please help me, oh. Am I doing this right? Hey, you're going to have me looking like Bobrisky. And y'all be putting it what on your forehead? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay. Come through forehead. Blend it so. And then we'll blend this one here too. Does it look like I highlighted or contoured, y'all? Can y'all tell? I didn't put too much because I'm scared. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. Okay. Y'all was going for let me forget my forehead. See how y'all do? Y'all was going for let me forget my forehead. Rude. Rude, all of y'all. I don't know if it made a difference. Did it make a difference? I don't know. Y'all are watching. Y'all tell me. Y'all let me know. I'm just trying my best, okay? So just to show you guys what I've been using, yeah, Profusion. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. So it's not horrible, but it's just like doesn't really show up like that. I'm not gonna put any concealer on my eyes because I just kind of want you guys to see the difference between like how pigmented Juvia's place is compared to this stuff that I believe I got it from Marshall's or something. Yeah, I think I got it from Marshall's. I'm just gonna show y'all pictures of these palettes. This one is Festival. Ew. This is Masquerade. I like these colors. They're pretty. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Beautiful. We have the this Nubian one. Le Nubian. Okay, I'm gonna try some gold type stuff because that's what I usually use. In fact, I'll compare this one to this rose gold that I have here. They have some similar colors. I'm just gonna pick the two that look the most similar and put it on one eye, put it on the other eye. See how this goes. I'm gonna do this color. Focus. I'm gonna do this color and I'm gonna do this color. We'll do the off-brand first. So this is me trying to get all the pigment. All right, put the off-brand on this eye. Just a little light work, nothing crazy. Y'all can see. All right, now I'm gonna take the similar one from Juvia's place and put it on this eye. Let's see. Let's see if the hype is real. So they do look similar, but I noticed that the Juvia's place is a little brighter. All right, y'all, look. See? Juvia's place? Not Juvia's place. I always like to add something in my inner eye. Oh, I'm going to take some Zobo. This color right here. And let's see what that look like on the outside. Ooh, I like you. Come through, show up. I'm putting brown. I don't know what it's gonna do. I just picked it. Not quite sure what's happening. So, alright, you guys. I think I sort of created something ish. Not quite sure what it was, but it is on my face. So I also got some lipsticks. I got the Doo Doo, and I got the, I don't know, Tattoo. Look like tattoo. Tattoo. T-A-Y-T-U. So this one comes with two. It's metallic and liquid lipstick. Meanwhile, the Doo Doo, I think is just one. I believe this is the black one. So I've been looking for a good black lipstick. Okay, like one that, oh yes, yes, yes. It's my black lipstick. It's so pretty, the packaging. Look at this. It's beautiful. I'm gonna put the matte on first, and then we'll go into the metals of things. All right. Oh God. go. I looked over there because I thought I saw a spider. I was about to get ready to run because San Diego is a spider's nest, literally. In the past month, I've probably killed like 12 spiders that be trying to come up in my house like they pay rent. I want like a really dark purple. Like that one purple from MAC, forgetting the name. Somebody stole it from me. I want it back. When I put on lipstick, I hate when I open my mouth, like, and the lipstick is like right here, and you can see the inside of my lip. I don't hate that. So I like to do this when I put it on, just to cover that area. Because when you do that, you still make sure the lipstick doesn't get on your teeth. Did it get on the teeth? No, I'm good. Was the matte version. Now we're gonna wait for this to dry, and we're going to try on the metallic. It's pretty dry. So now I'm putting on the metallic. Let's see how this looks. Honestly, y'all, I may not be the biggest, most smartest person when it comes to makeup, but I don't know about this lipstick. It feels, I don't know. Like, before I even started using foundation, let's see, I started using foundation when I was 27. No. When I was 28. That's when I started using foundation. And, but I always had lipstick and eyeliner, okay? Those are my things. My eyebrows were always good, and my eyeliner and my lipstick was always popping. This lipstick just feels, I don't know, I don't really like the way it glided on. I don't like the way it felt when it was gliding. I've used ColourPop a lot. ColourPop is like, I love them. And I don't know, I've used a bunch of different brands, not anything specific, but this one felt a little, I don't know. But letting it dry, see if it has a metallic effect at all. I'm gonna get closer. Maybe I need to put some more on, because, yeah. Okay, because does this look metallic to y'all? I'm trying to figure it out. Does it? All right, I'm just gonna, It looks metallic when it's wet, but it seems when it gets dry, at least from what I'm perceiving, it doesn't really look metallic anymore. So, yeah, y'all. How did I do? This is my Juvia's Place face. Very, very beginner much, okay? So, if y'all criticize nicely, okay? Tell me what I could do, what I need to work on. But don't tell me how ugly I am, okay? Because my little heart can't take it, okay? Oh yeah, by the way, y'all, get into this hair. HD lace, okay? HD lace. HD lace, though, it's kind of... Are there any other dark-skinned chicks that have an issue? I feel like with HD lace, every time I put it on, because the pieces, you know, they tear so easily, it has like those little flyaways, and then the flyaway be looking like a different color. Oh, look. Oh, look. I'm a bum. Look at my hole. Oh, yeah, you guys. I guess that concludes my full face Juvia's. I'll take some pictures and leave them for y'all. Please subscribe. You know, help my little small YouTuber self out. Starting over, okay? Please, thank you. Love y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.